Repair Clinic makes fixing things easy, with millions of replacement parts available on our website and the help you need to do the repair yourself. Since we encourage you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace the temperature sensor in your microwave oven, you will need to remove the appliance from the cabinet. To do this, first shut off the power supply to the oven junction box. Open the oven door and remove any racks from the oven, along with the turntable and support. Now use a Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the two screws, securing the mounting flanges to the cabinet. Remove the washers as well, if still intact. Now have an assistant help you to pull the appliance out of the cabinet and set it on a sturdy surface. Be aware that if the conduit cable is not long enough to move the microwave oven, you will need to disconnect the power and grounding wires and remove the conduit cable from the junction box. Using a T10 Torx bit, unthread the two screws securing the rear cover. Lift the cover up to detach. Now use a T20 Torx bit to unthread the screw securing the temperature sensor bracket to the convection housing. With the bracket removed, lift out the sensor. Next, use a Phillips head screwdriver or a 1/4 inch nut driver to unthread the 4 screws securing the top access panel. Lift the panel up, then slide forward to remove. Disconnect the sensor wire from the main control board. Then cut the zip tie to fully release the sensor wire. Install the new temperature sensor by feeding the wire through the hole in the rear panel. Then connect the wire to the control board. Insert the sensor into the hole. Reposition the bracket and secure it with the screw. Use a zip tie to bundle the wires back together. Replace the top access panel by inserting the rear edge first. Secure it with the screws. Align the rear cover on the tabs. Then fully position the cover and rethread the screws to secure. Return the microwave oven to the cabinet and push it into position. Insert the washers into the holes in the flanges. Then thread the 2 screws to secure the flanges to the cabinet. Replace the support and align the turntable on the coupling. With the repair completed, turn the power supply back on, and the microwave oven should be ready for use. At Repair Clinic, we make fixing things easy. Thank you for supporting the production of these videos by purchasing your parts from our website.